Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to log out Instagram ID from other device. Okay, so let's get started. Then first I will click on this app and tap on profile icon. Okay, then click on settings and privacy and tap on account center. Okay, scroll down, then tap on password and security. Okay, then tap on this option and click on your Instagram account and show your all details and to log out Instagram ID from other device. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment.